In primetime news this evening, Caribbean migrants living illegally in the U.S. on edge as immigration officials turn up the pressure. But we speak with one Jamaican who says he's not afraid.
Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs responds to opposition questions. But will it be enough for the PNP to return to the Joint Select Committee meetings?
And later, how raw sewage flowing along South Camp Road is affecting business. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the Business Day, the latest on Jamaica's trade deficit.
And guess what, Andrea? Jermaine Brown is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine.
Guess who's in town? Thank you, Anthony. Well, local sporting associations have been told to get their accounts in order for them to receive money from the government. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. We're looking forward to that. But for now, let's hear what Romaine Robinson has to say about the weather. And we'll get back to Romaine later on in the newscast to get the latest in primetime weather with the report and forecast. But before the break, let's have the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, are you confident that the government and opposition will reach consensus on the constitution reform process? Give reasons for your answers.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.